if I see you first time or 10th time or 1000th time, I always ask one question: what I can do to improve their quality of life. Hey, I'm Dr. Patel. I chose dentistry because it has a very well mix of art, engineering, math, medical. It's a multidisciplinary approach, and I like that. My journey started in India. I have 3 dental degrees in total. My bachelor's and master's degree in prosthodontics came here in 2014. Did 2 years of international dental program in USC, California. I've been to Texas for a while and then came here finally. I started in Dental in 2021. For me, all the patients are unique. Whatever happened in the past, don't worry about it. I'm not here to judge anyone. I'm here to help everyone. I always tell them it's a journey and we are part of that journey. So my favorite part about dentistry is I can meet new people every day, talk to them. It's not only just dental needs. We talk about their family, we talk about their trip. I want them to feel when they go out as if it's not a dental appointment. It was a meeting with old friends.